Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing the Skyreat ND filters for the DJI Osmo Pocket. So let's get started. So guys, before I wrap up this video, I'm just gonna show you the website that I use, and you can search it on the internet by simply searching for www.myus.com, and then you will be directed to the website homepage, and then you can scroll down all the way to the bottom page to find out more about the benefits of using MyUS.com. Corner of the screen, the one that I covered with a black color, this is my US address. I don't want to show it to you guys because it's confidential, but this is where your US address is supposed to be, in the upper right hand corner of the screen. You got a bunch of options right here, but I'm not gonna go through every single one of these options. You guys can see them for yourself, but let's just say I click on the history button. And one thing I like about this website though is that you guys can browse through all your past activities such as transaction and your orders. So if you guys wanna check out when was the last time you made a transaction, or when was the last time you made an order with them, you guys can go right here. And that's it for today guys. If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.